Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add a calendar month widget to the home screen on iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on your home screen, touch and hold. Once you are in edit mode, tap on the add button at the top. And in the search screen, go down and tap on calendar. Next, swipe across until you see it say month. Now touch and hold on the monthly calendar and then drag onto your home screen. Now tap on done. And that's it. We have now successfully added a calendar month widget to the home screen. Now, unfortunately, you cannot resize the widget. All you can do is remove the widget. And if you tap on the widget itself, it will open up the calendar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.